Hey friends, welcome back to Toon Talk English, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. Let me ask you something. What is your dream? Do you want to be a teacher, a doctor, a traveler, or maybe a YouTuber?
That's a great question, Neha. Everyone has a dream or an aim in life. And today, we're going to learn how to talk about our dreams and aims in English, naturally and confidently.
Yes, and make sure you stay with us till the end because you'll practice shadowing with us, learn easy sentences, and build confidence to speak about your own dreams. All right, let's begin. Dreams and aims make life beautiful. They give direction and purpose. In English, we often use phrases like, I want to, I would like to, my goal is to. For example, I want to be a teacher. I would like to start my own business. My goal is to become a successful artist.
That's right. And dreams aren't only about jobs or careers. They can also be about the kind of life you want. For example, I want to live a peaceful life. I wish to travel around the world.
Now it's your turn to practice. First, I'll read each line. Then, repeat after me. Let's start. My name is Neha, and today I want to talk about my dreams and aims. Everyone has a dream in life. My dream is to become a successful content creator and help people learn English. I started small by making short videos and podcasts. My aim is to inspire learners to speak English confidently. I believe learning a new language can change a person's life. That's why I keep working hard every day.
Amazing work, everyone! Shadowing like this improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.
Let's quickly understand the grammar behind it. When we talk about dreams or aims, we use simple present tense for wishes and future tense for plans. Example, I want to be a doctor. Simple present, describing your wish. I will work hard to achieve my goal. Simple future, describing your plan.
You can also use would like to. It's polite and sounds softer. Example, I would like to teach English one day.
Here's a small tip to remember easily. I want to, strong dream. I would like to, polite dream. My aim is to, long-term goal. Keep these in mind while speaking. All right, friends, let's practice again. My dream is to become a teacher. I want to help students learn new skills. To achieve my dream, I study every day and never give up. Sometimes I feel tired, but I remember why I started. My family supports me, and that motivates me to keep going. In the future, I will open my own institute. I believe my dream will come true one day.
Great work! Keep shadowing daily. This is how fluency grows.
Now, let's learn a few important words related to dreams and aims.
Ambition, a strong desire to achieve something. My ambition is to be a pilot.
Goal, something you plan to achieve. My goal is to learn English fluently.
Motivation, your reason to keep going. My family is my motivation.
Dream big, think beyond limits. Always dream big and believe in yourself.
Never give up. Keep trying. I never give up on my dreams.
Repeat these every morning. They'll keep you motivated and positive. Let's learn a simple formula to speak about your dreams easily. Step 1, start with your dream. I want to be a chef. Step 2, add a reason. I want to be a chef because I love cooking. Step 3, add a plan. I will join a cooking class next month.
That's it! 3 simple steps and your answer sounds natural and complete. Also, when someone asks, what's your dream? You can start like this. My dream is to, my aim in life is, I would like to.
And always connect your ideas with words like because, so, that's why. They make your sentences smoother and more logical. Example, I want to be a teacher because I love helping students. That's why I study every day. Now it's time for our final full-length shadowing practice. I'll read slowly. Repeat every sentence with me. Ready? Let's go. Hello, everyone. My name is Neha. Today, I want to share my dream with you. My dream is to become a successful English content creator. I chose this dream because I love helping people learn English in a fun and easy way. To achieve my dream, I study every day and keep improving my skills. Sometimes I face challenges, but I never give up. My family and friends always support me and motivate me to move forward. I truly believe that one day I will make my dream come true.
Beautifully said. If you shadow this paragraph every day for 1 week, you'll sound more fluent and confident each time.
Let's check how much you remember.
Question 1. Which tense do we use to talk about dreams? Answer: we use present tense for wishes and future tense for plans.
Question 2. What's the difference between I want to and I would like to? Answer: I want to is strong and direct. I would like to is polite and softer.
Question 3. Fill in the blank. My blank is to be a pilot. Answer: goal, aim, or dream.
True or false? We should never use because while talking about dreams. Answer: false. Always give a reason. It makes your answer clear and natural.
Amazing job, everyone! You've just learned how to talk about your dreams and aims in English, and you practiced it with confidence.
Remember, friends, a dream becomes a goal when you start taking action. And learning English is one small step that brings you closer to your dream.
So keep shadowing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
And yes, this episode is part of our shadowing series. If you haven't watched the previous ones, talk about likes and dislikes, go check them out after this video.
And if you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe to Toon Talk English for more fun and easy daily English practice.
Because the more you listen, the more you learn, and the more you speak, the more you grow.
See you in the next episode of our shadowing series.